Hey everyone, Nathan here from the Phantom Booster team, back with another playbook to help you find leads who are already showing interest in what you do. Why focus on those people? Because it's all about acting on intent signals. And the data backs it up. 57% of B2B teams see a 40% plus boost in lead conversion when they use intent data. So yeah, finding leads that show intent, it's a huge opportunity. Now you are probably wondering, how do you actually find those people? A great place to start is right on your competitor's LinkedIn post. When someone likes or comments their post, they are often high intent leads already active in your space. In this playbook, I will show you how to spot those high intent prospects, organize them into a clean lead list, and automate your outreach directly on LinkedIn. Ready to learn how to capture leads from your competitor activity? Let's jump in. We will run the use case in 3 steps. The first one will be the extraction of the activities of our competitors, so the extraction of their latest posts on LinkedIn. The second step will be the extraction of the likers and the commenters on their posts. And the third step will be sending a connection to the leads who were liking and commenting their post. So let's start with the first step. I prepared a Google spreadsheet where I listed 5 competitors of Phantom Booster. So I would like to extract the activity of these companies on LinkedIn. So what I will do here is that I will copy the URL and then go back on Phantom Booster. On Phantom Booster, I will use the Phantom LinkedIn Activity Extractor. Click on Use Now, and then as an input, I will click on URL and I will paste the link of my Google spreadsheet. We'll click Save, and connect my LinkedIn accounts. On the behavior, I have to define the number of profiles to process per launch. So I will just leave it empty, even though I have only 5 competitors here. I want to extract only their posts, so I will select only posts. And on the number of items to extract per activity type, we have by default 20. I will leave it like this. Then click Save and launch my Phantom once. So I extracted some latest posts of my competitors. If I go down, I can see the post contents and most importantly, the number of likes, number of comments. So now what I want to do is to extract these likers and these commenters. So I will have to use 2 phantoms. Let's go to browse the solutions. First, I will export the likers using the Phantom LinkedIn post likers export. I will need to connect my LinkedIn and then to choose my Phantom as an input. Extract competitors' activities. Then on the behavior, I have the choice of defining the number of posts I want to process per launch. I can also activate the watcher mode if I want this flow to keep running automatically. As I launched the activity extractor just once here, I would just like to scrape the likers once as well. So I will click Save, Save again, and launch the Phantom. Okay, so thanks to this Phantom, we extracted more than 1,600 leads. So now we'll do the same for the commenters. I will browse the solutions, type commenters, and use the LinkedIn post commenters export. Same as before, I will input my Phantom, and then I will launch it. My Phantom ran successfully and I extracted the commenters on my competitors' posts. So now I would like to create a list combining commenters and the likers so I can connect with them automatically on Phantom Booster. I will go to my LinkedIn leads database. I will click on filter and add conditions processed by Phantom, and I will take my first one, the competitors likers, and then I will add another condition saying I want the leads processed by the competitors likers Phantom or the competitors commenters Phantom. And then I can save my filters as a list. Now that I have my leads ready, I would like to send a connection request to these leads and maybe follow-up messages. I will browse the solutions and select the connect and send follow-up messages flow. I will select my list in my input. So it's the first one, commenters on my competitors' posts. I will save, then connect my LinkedIn, send a connection request without any notes. Maybe just schedule a first follow-up message one day after the leads accepted my connection. I will be able to send a second follow-up message if I want, even a third one, but I will just stay like this, click save, and then save again and launch my flow. So now we will connect and send a follow-up message to users who have been liking and commenting the posts of our competitors. This is a flow that you could automate. It means you could select the watcher mode on the activity extractor, and then also the watcher mode on the likers export, the commenters export, and on this flow. So it will mean that every time a new competitor is posting a new post, you will extract the likers and the commenters and connect automatically with their engagers. So you can see here that on my leads tab, I will be able to follow the status of the leads, and then on the report tab, I will have the process of the flow, and I will be able to follow how many invitations I send every day, how many messages I send also every day. All right, that's it for today. You just saw how to spot competitor activity on LinkedIn, extract people who liked or commented the post, build your lead list, and automate your outreach. It's a simple but powerful way to reach people already showing interest in solutions like yours. Now it's your turn. Give this playbook a try and see what results you get. Catch you in the next video.